Traveling with a baby involves more than just packing extra diaper. There are specific safety rules for every mode of transportation, and one common mistake with car seats could put your baby at serious risk during travel. And traveling with infants requires thoughtful preparation to ensure both safety and comfort. Car travel safety. Car seat safety is non-negotiable when traveling with an infant. Always use a rear-facing car seat appropriate for your baby's weight and age, ideally until at least 2 years old. Never place a rear-facing car seat in the front seat if there's an active airbag. Proper installation is crucial, and surprisingly, about 80% of car seats are installed incorrectly. Have yours checked by a certified technician before you travel. On long trips, stop every 1 to 2 hours to take your baby out of the car seat for movement and stretching. Never leave your baby alone in the car, even for a short moment. Car temperatures can become dangerous quickly. Avoid aftermarket accessories or inserts that haven't been crash tested with your specific car seat. They may compromise safety. Air travel considerations. Flying with infants requires a bit of extra planning. While children under 2 can travel as lap infants, the safest option is to purchase a separate seat and use an FAA-approved car seat during the flight. You can check for the FAA approval sticker. Only those seats are allowed on aircraft. Pack extra diapers, wipes, formula or breast milk, snacks, and a full change of clothes for both baby and you in your carry-on. Preparation is key for health and comfort while traveling. Pack all of your baby's regular medications, plus extra in case of travel delay. Include a small first aid kit with essentials, a thermometer, infant acetaminophen or ibuprofen if age appropriate, and any prescriptions. Carry copies of your baby's birth certificate, insurance card, and your pediatrician's contact details. Traveling with a baby can feel daunting, but it's completely doable with preparation and calm confidence. Like this video if it boosted your travel confidence, and subscribe for more evidence-based family safety guidance.